Hi, my name is Jack. I'm a volunteer for Guitars for Vets, and I came up with a couple of, more than a couple, of arpeggios that all start on the same note. Okay, so I'm going to play them for you, plus I'll supply the charts. And if you see me looking that way, it's because I got to look at what I charted. Okay, so the first one is G major. So in this particular arpeggio, the G is the root note. So here we go. One more time. Okay, the next one is going to be G minor. Okay, so again, it's the root of the chord. One more time. Okay, next. C major. In C major, the G is the fifth of the chord. So here we go. One more time. Okay. G minor 7. By the way, these are in no particular order. Okay, so in this particular case, the G is again the root note. So let me see what we got here. Okay, G minor 7 again. Okay, next, G major 7. So the G, of course, is the root note. One more time. Okay. G dominant 7. Again, in this case, the G is the root note. One more time. Okay, next one is E minor, where the G is the minor third of the chord, or of the scale. So here we go. E minor. Hello, Dylan. My dog just came to visit me. You should know that as soon as I sit down to do a recording, my dog comes down to say hello, the phone rings. It's unbelievable. Otherwise, the rest of the day is quiet. Okay, the next chord is E minor 7. So here we go. Again here, the G is the minor third of the chord and the scale. Almost sounds like G major, but it's not. There we go again, E minor 7. Okay, the next one on the list is C minor, where the G note is the 5th. There we go. One more time. Okay. Next one is C minor 7, again where the G is the 5th of the chord and the scale. There we go. One more time. Okay. C major 7, again the G is the 5th in the scale and the 5th in the chord. Okay. Okay, one more time. G major 7. C major 7. Okay. Of course, another phone call's coming in, but it's an unknown, so my phone silenced it. Okay, the next one is C dominant 7 or C7, where again the G is the 5th of the scale and the chord. Here we go. One more time. Okay. Okay, the next one is E flat. Over here, the G is the major, it's a third, or major third in the scale. So here we go. One more time. Okay. This is E flat dominant 7 or E flat 7, where the G is the third, major third in the chord. One more time. Next, E flat major 7, again where the G is the third, major third in the chord. One more time. C dominant 7 or C7, where the G is the 5th in the scale and the chord. There we go. Okay, so there are others, but at this point I think these are the most important. And once you get to know them, you could play them, those shapes, anywhere on the neck. and it'll improve your ability to improvise, because you can improvise around these where you don't have to be stuck by, well, if I want to play a C7 riff, you don't have to play it over here. You could play it over here. Sorry. Okay, it's not important. The picking is not what I'm trying to show you here. I'm just trying to make you aware of all the different forms that there are for playing all these shapes in arpeggio form. Okay, I will also upload the diagrams for this. Okay, take care, everybody.